Good evening, everyone. Today, I, Nishant Singh, I will be giving a lecture on the topic that is Indo-China relations. So, talking about the brief history of both the countries, in 1947, India got its independence, and in 1948, the Chinese country it got its independence from the Britishers' rule. And since then only, at that time, our GDP, economy, educational status, human development index, everything was nearly same. But with time, China has improved drastically. After the economic revolution that took place in China in 1976, since then, right now, Chinese economy is 5 times stronger than India's, and also their military is also very strong. The government that is present in China, it is a communist type of government, whereas the government that is present in India, it is a democratic government. The leaders that India is having Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whereas the Chinese government, they are having Prime Minister Xi Jinping. Both are in themselves quite a strong leader, and also they have drastically changed the way a country. They have drastically changed the way a country used to look earlier. So now, first of all, let me tell you something about the trade relation between both the countries. China is the second largest importer in India. Also, uh, talking about India, India is at the 8th rank in case of China. The traded commodities, these include pharmaceuticals, mobile gadgets, also some accessories related to toys, makeup, cosmetics, and along with this, machinery is also bought from China. Whereas China, it buys various pharmaceuticals from our country, and also the raw material that is required to manufacture medicines. Along with this, as we can see that we all are having Redmi mobiles and also Vivo mobiles. These all also come from China only. Now, talking about the military relations between both the nations, the military relations recently, they are not that much good, because there are clashes in the Ladakh area. Also, we have fought two wars against China, that is in 1962 and 1967. Along with this, I think that China is also having presence in the Indian Ocean and Arabian Ocean, which is not liked by India. So I think that military relations right now are not quite good, and there is a need to improve the relations. So, talking about the miscellaneous things about both the countries. First of all, recently there was an incident that took place in Taiwan, and after that, I think that Indian government has to take some steps by which the relations between India and China should not degrade much more, because I think that India, since the beginning, it is supporting America, and also we are a part of quadrilateral dialogue. So I think that our foreign ministry must take some steps that will not degrade the relations furthermore. Second is that, as we have started the Made in India program and also Make in India program, along with this Atmanirbhar Bharat has also been started. I think that we should boost this program, because right now most of our Indian market, it is dependent on Chinese goods. So I think that there is a need, so that we can uh, reduce the need that we Indians are having on Chinese goods, and that is really very important right now. Third, and the thing that I myself consider it is really very important, I think that Indian government has to focus on the Ladakh issue that is right now going on, uh, because Chinese are having a communist ideology and they want to capture more land. Along with this, there is a chance that they will capture Arunachal Pradesh or the northeastern states, because in my opinion they consider that part as its own. Most of the time, the global news channel, that is their main media, they have also stated that Arunachal Pradesh is their own state. So I think that our Indian government and foreign ministry must take some steps for these things. And I would say that Indian in the relation between both India and China, they are not that much good that it should be, and I think that the relations should be improved in the coming years. So that is all. Thank you.